Uh.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sophie. In case you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. So I looked for the perfect denim skirt for the longest time, and when I found it, I figured why not do a lookbook on how to wear a denim skirt. So that's what I'm doing today. I'll be showing you 6 different outfits with the same denim skirt. So stay tuned guys, and I hope you love these 6 pairings. But before that, kindly subscribe to my channel in case you still haven't, and feel free to like, share and comment on this video. So without further ado, let's get into the looks. So for this look, I'm wearing my blue button-down denim skirt with a white tank and a kimono. You guys, I love this kimono with all my heart. But the funny thing is, I've actually never worn it outside. I got it about 3 years ago, and I had just stored it somewhere, but I really need to change that because look at it, it's beautiful. The embroidery is everything. It's a sheer kimono, and I decided to just go with a pair of simple strappy heels so that the kimono and the skirt have their moment. And yeah, I also went for a layered necklace because I really love layered necklaces, and some blade shaped earrings just to make the outfit a bit more fun because I wanted it classy, yes, but it was supposed to be a classy casual kind of look. So as you can see, I also tried something different with my hair this time. It's usually mostly black every other time because I just love black hair, but this time I went for a brighter color and I frankly really love it. So for this other look, I am also rocking my hair in this beautiful brown color, and I decided to go the denim on denim way. I love a Canadian tuxedo, and this one just worked so well for me. So everything in this look is thrifted. Obviously the denim skirt I thrifted a while back. You might have seen it in one of my thrift haul videos, and I went for a white tank once again, and I went for this very nice well fitted denim jacket. I really love it. It's so nice and fun and goes with so many things that I own. And then I went for a yellow bag. Actually, this bag is the only thing that's not thrifted. I got it from Rose Girl some years ago. And then to finish off this outfit, I went for a pair of sandals that I also really love. They go with so many things I own, and that's why. So this was the denim on denim look. So this next look has me wearing my denim skirt with a velvet top. First of all, I am obsessed with anything velvet because velvet always just has a way of looking so classy. And yeah, here I'm wearing a wine red velvet top that has that detail at the front that makes it stand out. It's like a statement top. And then I went for some very nice golden earrings, actually my favorite pair of earrings, and some lace up open shoes. I really love those shoes because they're so easy to walk in, and being black, they go with everything, as you can see. And to finish off this look, I just went for that nice burgundy pouch. So nothing too complicated, just simple, but it really works for me. So for this next look, I still decided to dress up my denim skirt, and this time I went for a blouse, a pink blouse that's very vintage in style. You might remember it from a video I did a while back, pretty much the last thrift haul video that I did before COVID hit, really. And yeah, I just tucked it into my skirt, tied a black skinny belt, went for a black bag and some strappy heels. Very simple, really. And it's an outfit that you can really wear to, you know, to work on a casual Friday. You can wear it to brunch on a weekend. It's just very nice, comfortable, and yeah, vintage is a very nice way to go in case you just want to look chic. So this is another outfit that would work very well for, you know, a business casual kind of environment. If your dress code is not strictly official, you could always wear a denim skirt with a black top and a black blazer. Although it doesn't necessarily have to be black on black, just a blazer will do and a nice tank. So here I went for the same lace-up shoes that you've seen in one of the looks before this one. And I really love how it came together. The black just makes this skirt stand out because black is neutral and the skirt is the only thing that has color. I also really love such a bag when I'm wearing something that looks a bit more formal because it just completes the outfit very well. So yeah, in case you're wondering what you could wear to work on a casual Friday or how to wear a denim skirt to a meeting, this is the kind of look you might want to go for. So for this last look, I decided to just put together an outfit that anybody really can actually wear, and that is a denim skirt with some white sneakers. First of all, if you don't own a pair of white sneakers, I advise you to just look for a pair because these literally go with everything. And yeah, I decided to go with a black t-shirt, although you can substitute the black t-shirt with any other t-shirt that you have. The whole point is it's just a simple outfit, and I decided to just add some edge to it by going for a fanny pack instead of a regular bag. And I really love how this entire look came together. It's something you can easily try out as long as you have such pieces, and I really hope that you like it as much as I do because I really love this look. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do not forget to like, share, and most of all, subscribe to my channel. Subscribing supports me. So subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.